Are you ready to tackle your outdoor cleaning tasks without breaking the bank? In today's video guide, we're going to put the focus on the AR Blue Clean BC111HS electric pressure washer, priced at under $150. Should you find yourself interested in acquiring this product during the video, take a look at the links provided in the description. Now let's get started. The AR Blue Clean BC111HS electric pressure washer is an affordable yet powerful cleaning machine. With a 1,600 psi, 1.7 GPM, and 12.5 amp motor, this pressure washer can handle a variety of outdoor cleaning tasks. Its lightweight design, weighing only 16 pounds, makes it easy to maneuver around your home. The onboard storage keeps your accessories organized and easily accessible. This pressure washer is equipped with a 15-degree quick connect nozzle and a 25-ounce Bayonet foam cannon, making it versatile for cleaning patios, siding, fencing, and cars. Additionally, the Total Stop System, TSS, ensures the machine shuts off when the trigger gun is not engaged, extending its lifespan. As for the pros, the AR Blue Clean BC111HS offers high-pressure performance and a compact design for easy maneuverability, all at a price point under $150. However, as for the cons, some users may find the 1,600 psi not powerful enough for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. But overall, this pressure washer provides a great balance of power, portability, and affordability for most home cleaning needs. When compared to other pressure washers in its category, the AR Blue Clean BC111HS stands out for its affordability, quality, and range of features. It's an excellent choice for homeowners looking for a reliable and easy-to-use pressure washer without spending a fortune. For more details about the AR Blue Clean BC111HS electric pressure washer, including where to buy and updated pricing, be sure to check out the product links in the description. Also, if you like videos like this, be sure to subscribe for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.